This poem is called The Sound of Trees. One, he wondered about the trees. Why do we wish to bear forever the noise of those more than ever noise so close to or doing praise? We suffer them by the day. The wheat was loose or losing treasure of praise and fixed in our joys and again a listener when listening they are that six of going but forever gets away and that there's no rest for no knocking as it goes whisper and older that now is it means no to stay. My feet hung at that floor and my head says to my shoulder. Sometimes when I watch trees say from the window or the door, I shall sit front the everywhere somewhere. I shall make the reckless choice someday when they are in voice and chosen so as to score the white clouds over them on. I shall have less to say, but I shall be gone. Bye.